How to have logarithmic bins in a Python histogram. As far as I know, the option log equals true in the histogram function only refers to the y-axis. I need the bins to be equally spaced in log 10. Is there something that can do this?
Use log space to create a geometric sequence, and pass it to bins parameter, and set the scale of z-axis to log scale.
The most direct way is to just compute the log 10 of the limits, compute linearly spaced bins, and then convert that by raising to the power of 10, as below.
The following code indicates how you can use bins equals auto with the log scale.
In addition to what was stated, performing this on pandas data frames works as well. I would caution that there may be an issue with normalizing the bins. Each bin is larger than the previous one, and therefore must be divided by its size to normalize the frequencies before plotting, and it seems that neither my solution, nor Hyri solution accounts for this. Source: this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.